Today, I'll show you how to transfer Solana from Binance to your Phantom wallet. Open the Phantom wallet and log in. On the main screen, find Solana and tap Receive. You'll now see a QR code and your Solana wallet address. Tap Copy Address to copy this address to your clipboard. Now switch over to Binance. Go to Assets, then choose Crypto. From your list of coins, select Solana. Tap Send and then choose Withdraw Crypto. In the address field, paste the Solana address you just copied from Phantom. For the network, make sure you select Solana. Enter the amount you want to send. Then tap Withdraw. Binance will now show you a summary screen. Carefully check the address, the network, and the amount. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm and complete any security verification steps. After a short while, your Solana should appear in your Phantom wallet balance. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.